Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and that is Math with Teens. Our topic for today is all about equations transformable into quadratic equations. There are equations that are transformable into quadratic equations. These equations may be given in different forms. Hence, the procedures in transforming this equation into quadratic equation may also be different. Hey, once the equations are transformed into quadratic equations, then they can be solved using the techniques learned in previous lessons. The different methods of solving quadratic equations, such as extracting square root, factoring, completing the square, and using quadratic formula, can be used to solve these transformed equations. I will give you an example how the equation transformable into quadratic equation. Okay, direction. Solving quadratic equations that are not written in standard form. Sample number 1. Solve x times the quantity of x minus 5 is equal to 36. How can we solve that? We use distributive property. We multiply x to the x minus 5. So, x times x is equal to x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x equals 36. Just bring down. And then, copy x squared minus 5x transpose 36, so it becomes negative 36 equals 0. This is now the standard form. After that, you are going to find the roots or the solutions, the two solutions. How? By using quadratic formula, factoring, completing, and extracting square roots. So, the equations can be used is by factoring. So, what are the factors of this equation? So, the factors are the quantity of x minus 9 times the quantity of x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then, let us get the value of x. X is equal to 9, and the other one is x is equal to negative 4. So, that's are the solutions. Let us check from the original equation. From the original, we have x times the quantity x minus 5 is equal to 36. Substitute 9. So, this is 9. Your x become 9. Your x become 9 also. Minus 5 is equal to 36. And then solve. So, bring down 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Yes. And that is 9 times 4 is 36 is equal to 36. So that they are equal. Satisfy the original equation. How about the other one? So we have, change x to become, x become negative 4. So negative 4 times the quantity of negative 4 minus 5 is equal to 36. Then bring down negative 4. Negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. Then negative 4 times negative 9 is equal to 36. And then they are equal now. Both solutions are satisfying our original equation. So, our answers are correct. Okay guys, did you understand? From the first equation, this is not the standard form. So, you need to write first into standard. So this is the standard. And afterwards, you need to get the solutions or the roots. Okay. Let us give another example. Find the roots of the equation x plus 5 quantity squared plus x minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 37. So we have two binomials here. What this? Both will have squared. So how can we solve that? You will write as the quantity x plus 5 times the quantity of x plus 5 plus the quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 37. You will need to write this as 2, the same quantity. Okay, and afterwards, let us solve. X times x is x squared. So we will use FOIL method. X times 5 is 5x. 5 times x is 5x also. Then 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, for this given, the first term, x times x, x squared. The outer, x times negative 2 is negative 2x. The inner, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. And the last term, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 equals 37. Okay, let us combine now. X squared can be combined into x squared. So x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. Yes. 5x plus 5x is equal to 10x. And then negative 2x plus negative 2x, that is negative 4x. So 10 minus 4 become positive 6x. Okay. And then 25 plus 4 is 29 equals 37. Guys, did you get this answer? Okay, just follow. How can we get the equation? Afterwards, let us transpose positive 37. So it becomes negative 37. So we have 2x squared plus 6x plus 29 minus 37 is equal to 0. Then solve these two numbers. 2x squared plus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. And we will divide this into 2. All terms into 2. Divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. So become x squared. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. Equals 0. So our standard form is x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. And then, what are the factors? The factors are the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 1 is equal to 0. That's are the factor of this standard form. And what is the value of x? So, x is equal to negative 4. The other one is x is equal to positive 1. And that's are the roots of this equation. Okay. Okay, let us check our answers. The two roots in our original equation. So, our original equation is x plus 5 quantity squared plus x minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 37. our roots are negative 4 and 1. Okay. So, from the original equation, your x must be changed into negative 4. So, negative 4 plus 5, quantity squared, plus this one, negative 4 minus 2, quantity squared, is equal to 37. Okay? Did you get, class? Did you get, guys? So, we will replace x there, and we will replace negative 4 into x. And then we will simplify. So, negative 4 plus 5 is 1 squared. Plus, negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6 squared. Is equal to 37. And then 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36 is equal to 37. And 1 plus 36 is equal to 37. So, they are equal. So, our answer is correct. How about 1? Okay. So, we will substitute 1 to the x. So, it becomes 1 plus 5, quantity squared. 1 minus 2, quantity squared, is equal to 37. 1 plus 5 is 6 squared. Plus 1 minus 2 is negative 1 squared, is equal to 37. 6 times 6 is 36. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. And 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. So, they are equal. Meaning, our roots are the solution, our answers are the solutions of this equation. Okay? If you have any question, just comment in the comment box. Okay, guys. That's the end of our topic today. That is the part 1 of equations transformable into quadratic equations. Yes, guys. So, in our topic today, if you have some difficulty in solving this, just comment. Don't hesitate to comment on the box. And that is the end for today. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.